Welcome to Thena's channel. This is the Face Rock Beach House, a stunning home designed by Giulietti Schouten Weber Architects, located in Bandon, United States. Perched on an oceanfront bluff along the Oregon coast, this magnificent residence offers panoramic views of the rugged seascape and dramatic rock formations. The house is named after Face Rock, a striking sea stack with a face-like feature, deeply rooted in Coquille legend. Designed as a multi-generational retreat, this 4,074 square meter home perfectly blends contemporary architecture with nature. Expansive glass walls frame the breathtaking scenery, while warm wood and natural materials create an inviting atmosphere. The seamless indoor-outdoor connection allows residents to fully embrace the coastal beauty. With its modern design, strategic layout, and unparalleled location, Face Rock Beach House is a masterpiece of oceanfront living. The living room features a modern, open-concept design with a wood-paneled ceiling, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a sleek concrete fireplace. Natural light enhances the neutral tones, while the minimalist furniture arrangement maximizes space. The seamless indoor-outdoor connection emphasizes architectural fluidity, creating a harmonious blend of elegance, warmth, and contemporary sophistication. The kitchen and dining area seamlessly blend functionality with modern aesthetics. Featuring an open-concept layout, the space maximizes natural light through large windows, enhancing the airy ambience. The kitchen showcases sleek cabinetry with a minimalist design, complemented by a spacious countertop for meal preparation. High-quality materials, such as polished stone and wood finishes, create a warm yet contemporary feel. The dining area, strategically positioned, fosters a smooth transition between cooking and dining, optimizing both comfort and efficiency. The staircase features an open riser design with wood treads and black metal framing, enhancing light flow and spatial continuity in the modern, minimalist entryway. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling glass panels, maximizing ocean views and natural light. A built-in fireplace and wood flooring enhance warmth and modern sophistication. The bathroom features a freestanding tub, dual sinks, and a glass-enclosed shower with textured tiles. Black-framed mirrors contrast with soft gray tones for modern elegance. Take a look at other areas of the house, followed by the floor plan design.